Well, the beginning of property tax season is upon us once again, and this year many of us have seen an obscene increase in the assessment of our homes. Ours is over 50%. Now that said, this frightening spectre need not be as stressful as it appears. So, when the time comes to pay your property taxes, you apply for and receive the BC Homeowners Grant, but the taxes remaining are still more than expected. No need to panic. If you need it, you might be eligible for a property tax deferment. So what does that mean? Well, it's a program that allows you to not pay your property taxes when they come due, but put it off for the time being. That doesn't mean you don't owe the taxes, it just means you don't have to pay them right now. The regular program, Tax Deferment, is an option available to homeowners in BC that are 55 years or older, a surviving spouse, or eligible persons with disabilities. And as well, homeowners who financially support a dependent child may also be eligible for another program called the Families with Children program. Now, to qualify for the regular program, one of the owners must be 55 or older during the current calendar year, or be a surviving spouse of any age who isn't currently the spouse of someone else, or be a person designated as a person with disabilities under the Employment and Assistance for Persons with Disabilities Act. Now also, a person with disabilities who, in the opinion of a physician, will have a severe mental or physical impairment that is likely to continue for at least 2 years may also be eligible. The applicant must be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident of Canada, be a registered owner of the property who has lived in BC for at least 1 year prior to the application. The property taxes must be owed to a municipality or the province and have all previous year's property taxes, utility fees, and penalties and interest all paid up. Now, you might qualify for the Families with Children program if you're a parent, step-parent, or financially supporting a child. So that means you must be financially supporting one or more of the following: a child under the age of 18 who is living with you full or part-time, or who doesn't live with you but that you pay support for. Your own child or stepchild of any age who is attending an educational institution. Your own child or stepchild of any age who is designated as a person with disabilities under the Employment and Assistance for Persons with Disabilities Act. Your own child or stepchild of any age who, in the opinion of a physician, has a severe mental or physical impairment that is likely to continue for at least 2 years and directly and significantly restricts their ability to perform daily living activities. Now, your property. For your property to be eligible, it must be your principal residence and be taxed as either residential or residential and farm. The property must be an area of land with improvements or a manufactured home and the land it's on if both are owned by the same person. Now, I understand that last stipulation to mean that manufactured homes, like mobile homes located in parks, are not eligible. Now, I stand to be corrected on that. So, if you still owe the money, how does that help? Well, for some seniors, it may allow them to stay in their homes longer, and for families who need it, an opportunity to provide for their children. Now, ideally, at a future date, as the property appreciates, the funds will become available to pay off these deferred taxes. So the way it works is really quite simple. An application is required each year that deferment is being requested. As I said earlier, there's 2 options: the regular program and the Families with Children program. New applications to the regular program cost a one-time fee of $60 with an annual renewal fee of $10. The Family with Children program has no application or renewal fees. Now be aware, though, interest will be charged on your tax deferment loan from either the date that you apply or from the date the tax becomes due, whichever is later. The rate you're charged depends on which deferment program you chose and is set every April 1st and October 1st. The current interest rates are 1.7% for regular program and 3.7% for families with children program. These rates are in effect till March 31st, 2023. So for more information or to apply for the Property Tax Deferment Program, see the link in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. So I hope this has been helpful. I'd really like to hear from you. So please leave me a comment or drop me a message. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. And then hit that bell so that you're notified when new videos are uploaded. In the meantime, please stay safe and enjoy your day. I'm wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.